Day 14 First half start. Seek. Seek. When faced with a problem, we instinctively seek to find a solution. Monotonous. Monotonous. Doing this monotonous work all day is driving me crazy. Connect. Connect. The government wanted to connect computers in different places to share information. Concept. Concept. Clearly, the concept of health has changed in recent years. Theory. Theory. Scientists developed many different theories, but they could not prove that their ideas were correct. Product. Product. There are many products thrown out long before the end of their practical life. Tempt. Tempt. Today's parents must try to control all the new changes that tempt children away from schoolwork. Habitat. Habitat. They prefer to nest within human habitats. Repair. Repair. I hired a carpenter to help me repair an old farmhouse. Soil. Soil. Taro is a tropical crop that grows in wet soil. Satisfaction. Satisfaction. The positive feedback from customers gave them great satisfaction. Surrounding. Surrounding. Usually, an octopus takes on the color of its surroundings. Variety. Variety. Latin foods have also added to the variety of the American diet. Reality. Reality. I would often escape from reality through movies, too. Employ. Employ. Jenny Hernandez is the manager of a medium-sized company that employs about 25 people. Chain. Chain. A spectator several rows in front stands up to get a better view, and a chain reaction follows. Struggle. Struggle. In fact, billions of people around the world struggle with sleep disorders. Policy. Policy. The policy has proven to be very effective. Modest. Modest. With a modest income from part-time work, early semi-retirees may not have to face the dramatic downshifting in spending and lifestyle. Fake. Fake. While waiting for friends, people fake phone calls so that they are not seen as a lonely person. Day 14 first half end.